Starting a home greenhouse is a great way to enjoy gardening all year long, no matter what the weather is like outside. Whether you want to grow fresh vegetables, beautiful flowers, or unique plants, a greenhouse provides a controlled environment where you can nurture your garden. In this video, we will take you through the steps to set up your greenhouse. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Plan your greenhouse. The first step in setting up your home greenhouse is careful planning. You need to determine the purpose of your greenhouse. Are you planning to grow vegetables, flowers, or perhaps exotic plants that require specific conditions? Understanding what you want to grow will help you decide on the size, location, and type of greenhouse that best suits your needs. Selecting the right location is crucial. Choose a spot in your yard that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Ideally, your greenhouse should face south to maximize sunlight exposure. It's also important to consider nearby structures such as tall trees or buildings that could cast shadows over your greenhouse. Number 2. Choose the right greenhouse structure. Once you have a plan in place, the next step is to choose the appropriate greenhouse structure. There are different types of greenhouses, each with its own set of advantages. Lean-to greenhouses are attached to an existing structure, such as your house or garage, making them convenient for accessing utilities like water and electricity. They are space-efficient but may have limited sunlight depending on the orientation of the building. Freestanding greenhouses, on the other hand, are standalone structures that offer more flexibility in terms of size and location. These greenhouses can be placed anywhere in your yard, allowing for optimal sunlight exposure. However, they require more space and can be more expensive to construct. When choosing materials for your greenhouse, consider both durability and insulation. Common materials for the frame include aluminum, wood, and PVC, while the covering can be made of glass, polycarbonate, or polyethylene. Glass provides excellent light transmission but is more expensive and fragile. Polycarbonate is a more durable option and offers better insulation, which is beneficial for maintaining a stable growing environment. Number 3. Prepare the foundation. A strong foundation is essential for the stability and longevity of your greenhouse. The foundation should be level and well drained to prevent water from seeping into the structure. There are several foundation options available, including concrete slabs, gravel bases, and paver stones. A concrete slab foundation provides a sturdy and durable base, making it ideal for permanent greenhouses. It also helps retain heat, which can be beneficial for plant growth. A gravel base is a more affordable option that offers good drainage and is suitable for smaller greenhouses or those that may need to be relocated in the future. Paver stones provide a balance between cost and stability, offering a solid surface for walking and working while allowing excess water to drain through the gaps. Number 4. Assemble the greenhouse. With the foundation in place, it's time to assemble your greenhouse. If you've purchased a greenhouse kit, carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions. Begin by constructing the frame, ensuring that all parts are securely connected. Use galvanized screws or bolts to prevent rust and ensure long-term durability. After assembling the frame, attach the covering material. If you're using glass, handle it carefully to avoid breakage. Polycarbonate or polyethylene coverings are easier to work with and offer good insulation. Make sure the covering is tightly secured to the frame to prevent drafts and heat loss. Number 5. Set up the interior. Once the structure is assembled, it's time to set up the interior of your greenhouse. Consider the layout of your plants and workspace. Shelving or benches can be used to maximize space and keep your plants organized. If you're growing different types of plants, group them according to their light and water needs. Installing a watering system will make plant care easier and more efficient. You can choose from a simple hose connection, drip irrigation, or an automatic watering system. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy plant growth, and having an efficient system in place will save you time and effort. Heating may be necessary if you plan to grow plants during the colder months. Electric heaters, propane heaters, or heat mats can be used to maintain a stable temperature inside the greenhouse. Number 6. Plant and maintain. With your greenhouse fully set up, you're ready to start planting. Choose high-quality seeds or seedlings that are well-suited to greenhouse growing. Begin by planting in seed trays or pots before transferring them to larger containers or the greenhouse floor. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your greenhouse in top condition. This includes monitoring temperature and humidity levels, adjusting ventilation as needed, and ensuring your watering and heating systems are functioning properly. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases, and take prompt action to address any issues. Number 7. Expand and upgrade your greenhouse. As you gain experience with greenhouse gardening, you may want to expand or upgrade your setup. Consider adding additional shelving, installing automated climate control systems, or experimenting with hydroponic growing methods. Expanding your greenhouse can allow you to grow a wider variety of plants or increase your overall yield. Upgrading your greenhouse can also involve improving energy efficiency. Installing insulated panels, using energy-efficient heating systems, or incorporating solar power can reduce operating costs and make your greenhouse more environmentally friendly. That's all for now. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or DM us on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Also, subscribe to our channel, Green Life Guide, for more amazing videos. Thank you.